Away they go. And a pretty nice even beginning too. We've got Bacolod Princess. Shows early speed. Pursuit of Happiness alongside. Running into Jaiho. Moving up. Haring Bastos. In between horses comes Batang Rosario, together with Surfer's Paradise. The lead now belongs to Pursuit of Happiness, down on the inside, Bacolod Princess, Surfer's Paradise. Also in there is Haring Bastos. Then 2 lengths back in fifth comes Bacolod Princess, and then followed over, that's number 7, Batang Rosario and Jaiho. As they race on the third quarter, now we got 4 of them fighting it out for the lead. The lead now belongs to Surfer's Paradise. We've got Surfer's Paradise, the leader. In between horses, Haring Bastos, Pursuit of Happiness. Bacolod Princess once again closing in. Batang Rosario still in feet. Then comes Jaiho, who's racing down on the inside. As they race for the onrushing horsepower, Haring Bastos has taken the lead now from Pursuit of Happiness. Then racing on the outside, moving up now is Bacolod Princess once again. Bacolod Princess, Haring Bastos. Bacolod Princess, Haring Bastos, Jaiho. And finally, it's going to be number 4. Bacolod Princess, 4th bell, close for 3rd, Jaiho, Haring Bastos.